2013 Toyota Camry, doing a low beam headlight bulb replacement. Fairly easy. Down here is a connector, has a tab on it. Let me show you. Press the tab right here to release it. Off the bulb. Bulb goes in the hole there. That's what the bulb looks like. You kind of only go in one way. It's got that fatter terminal. We're doing both of them. Looks like the type is a H11 low beam bulb. Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market, and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1, where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. So here's the position basically where it is ready to come out. That's the out position. Probably like, I don't know, 45 degrees. I'm going to push it in a little bit and turn it. Installed straight up and down. So you want it to go this way. There's the bulb connected. Give it a pull. Not going anywhere. It's the same for both sides. There's the take it out, remove it position right there. We'll put it in, push it a little bit and give it a turn. It's the same for both sides. And connected. That is replacing your low beam bulb, outer bulb. '13 Toyota Camry. Good luck to you.